Hey guys, today I am sharing an unboxing of my Santa collection for 2018. Now this is just a small snippet of my little Santa collection, so that the video is not so long. I am sharing my favorites, so let's get started. Okay guys, I will show you my Santa collection. Now if you've followed me for any length of time, you know that I love country, and country Christmas is no exception. So the majority of my Santas are country Christmas. So let me show you what I got. So I'm going to start here with this little cake stand I found at a grocery store, and has little Santa boots that I put in my decor. So cute. This big plush Santa is actually handmade. I call him my America Santa, or my USA Santa. And I got him from a craft show. There was a lady there, a vendor there, that made these. And I fell in love with him because I had decorated my home in Americana colors. So he was perfect. He's quilted and stitched just beautifully. He has some little glasses, little jingle bell, and then muslin for the beard. And when I do my home tour decorations, I will show him a lot closer. This right here is a Santa star pillow that my mother-in-law gave to me. And he has just a little beard and a little face, little pug nose, and handmade. You can definitely tell the quality of the handmade on a lot of these things. This one was also a gift from my mother-in-law. It was it is a garden farmer Santa, and has his little basket of vegetables, and has a little chopping hoe just ready to weed his garden. I also have a lot of ceramic Santas. This one right here is a cowboy Santa, and he has one of those irons, those branding irons that says okay. Anyway, oh, it's a golf Santa. I'm sorry. It's not a branding. It has a little golf ball right there, and I guess this is a golf putt. Here's another plush Santa that I got that's weighted, and just, you know, has buttons on it and has a little bag. Another one. This one right here is from my mother-in-law. It's a quilted Santa. And this kind of feels like wool. His beard feels like wool. This right here, I didn't paint this. I actually purchased this somewhere, but there was a local lady that painted a lot of these. I'm not quite sure if she does still, but I've had it for several years. It did have a jute hanger, but over the years it broke, so I just set him out. I put him on like a picture stand, and he works really good. This one right here is one of my favorites. I purchased him from, I forget, and also I would always write the year that I would get the Santas on the bottom. So I got this one in 1996. And this is a police Santa is being stopped by a policeman. And the policeman is writing him a ticket. It did have batteries, and the little headlights would light up for the cop. Look at the little reindeer. They're looking like, what are you doing? So cute. This one, 2001. Yeah, I need to put batteries in it. This Santa, he usually would just shake back and forth. It's another plush Santa. Little old world Santa. Little country has little gingham tree. I love gingham. Plaid, even before it was called buffalo check, I am a plaid girl. That is our gingham. That is my cup of tea. This one right here, I don't remember where I got this one from, but it's kind of like plastic or canvas, and he has a jingle bell, and he just kind of sits. He has like dangly legs, so he just kind of sits on a shelf somewhere. I bought this at a craft store. I think it was Joann's several years ago, 2001. So I've had some of these for many, many years. And then some of these have like just little decorations like that. This little gift box. My little convertible Santa. I got him from Hobby Lobby 1 or 2 years ago. Here is a Santa that I, let's see, I don't remember if I created this one, or I may have purchased this one kind of for a pattern, and the little lights light up. It's a wooden Santa, and there's little lights around the tree, and it all lights up. And then I have some little blocks this says naughty or nice. My big Santa's eye. Now I painted this many years ago, and when my husband and I were doing craft shows, we would offer these at the craft shows. This was like 2001, early 2000s, and I would have these there at the show, and then they would, the customer would purchase the little Santa, and then I would, I think I had Merry Christmas, or I don't remember if this was blank, or I would put the last name here. I would hand paint that, and then on the little ornament, I would put the family names on there. So I did paint this one myself. This right here, someone gave me as a gift. It's a little tin, rusty tin, and it's painted with the Santa and Rudolph. So many friends knew that I was a Santa collector, and so they would give me Santas for gifts. This right here I did create, and I do have a video here on my YouTube channel. It is a recycled Cricut cartridge box, and I created a little Santa. It has a little tag and a little rusty bell. I told y'all I love my rusty bells. Anyway, so I will link to this video down below if you would like to check that out. Here is another plush Santa. I don't remember where I got him from. Let me see. Sometimes I would put who I got it from so that I would remember. So maybe I purchased him myself since I don't have it written. This, I think I found at a Goodwill. It is a gourd, and it is a gourd painted like a Santa. Little spoon Santa. This is a little Chanel quilt. I think it's called a Chanel. Yeah, I think that's what it's called. This is one of the one of my first ones that when I started collecting. This is a Coke bottle, and it's painted like a Santa. And then I have these blocks that say ho ho ho. I love to include these in with my Santa collection because it all kind of ties together. Now I know that this is not Santa, but I wanted to show y'all. I have told y'all in my country decorating, I decorate with rusty bed springs, and I get them from Free Mattresses. And so I have these little quilted candy canes that I bought somewhere. I bought them because it has a little tag on it. I'm sorry, I've had them for so many years I don't remember. But anyway, I just stick them in these bed springs, and then I decorate them throughout my home and for the holidays. Here's a little sign that I painted, Happy Holidays. This one's different. It's kind of tin, made out of tin. And this says ho, ho, ho. No, it says ho, ho. I didn't paint that. Oh, yes. I didn't paint this. The same lady that painted this painted that. And then I have some little ornaments. Little ornaments. Several years ago, I belonged to a community that we did an ornament exchange, and we would create, if there were 49 ladies that wanted to participate in this ornament exchange, you would create that many ornaments and send it to a designated person, and then she would disperse a box with 49 ornaments. And so this was one of the ornaments in the box, and so I put it in with my Santas because it's so cute. And then I just have a box full of just little Santas for my little tree. Here is an ornament. This has a Santa, but we can really use one of these ornaments, right? And this box is just filled. I'm not going to go through all of it because I don't want to bore you, but this is an ornament for my mother-in-law. It is a spode ornament. And my dishes, my Christmas dishes, are the spode Christmas trees, and so she spoiled me and purchased one of these little ornaments for me. Treasure that. This is a little Santa. Looks like a light bulb. This right here is from my husband. He got me this, and probably I call it my Jazz Santa, and it has little Christmas songs that sit on his little music stand, and they go in here, and you can turn it on and it will play the different music. I just have them packed away in a box. During my Santa unveiling, I will show you all of them a little more closely. Here's my cowboy Santa. This is just made out of something. It's painted. See, I just have tons and tons of little Santas. Look at that. I like unique Santas that are not just the traditional Santa, like this. This, you know, like this, little cutesy Santa. I like to collect things like this that were different, that are not going to be just in the store. These right here, and I have one more. It must be, yeah, I haven't gotten it out yet, but I have some taller wooden Santas. This one right here was handmade. My in-laws gave me this for Christmas one year. Honestly, for the years that I was collecting Santas, it's not that I don't anymore, but I kind of had gotten a lot, and so I just said no more Santas. Anyway, so my in-laws had given me this for Christmas one year. It was my Christmas gift, and I just totally treasure it. It's a quilted Santa. And then this one right here, I think I purchased it at a craft show because I loved it and wanted it to be in my decor. This was just a sampling of my Santa collection. I will definitely be sharing that in the unveiling once I get it all decorated. Guys, I really appreciate you watching and all of your support, and you all have a Merry Christmas and God bless.